I found this clip online, and so I took a screenshot and thought it was super interesting because it deals with a case that we filed fairly recently against Kiki on the River in Miami. My office at Fair Law Firm, we represent several captains and servers who were supposed to receive tips from working at Kiki on the River. Kiki on the River includes an automatic service charge, which is not going all to the servers. Plus, they allow their patrons to pay a tip or an overtip. Under United States federal law, all of the tips and overtips have to go to tipped employees. None of it can be kept by either the restaurant, its owners, or its managers. Several clients came to my office and complained that they understood that money was not being paid to them, and instead it was going to either the owners or managers or supervisors at the restaurant. We filed this lawsuit in federal court, and we're proceeding against Kiki on the River and its corporate owners to recover the tips that were either unlawfully retained or improperly distributed to traditionally non-tipped employees. I thought that this receipt was rather interesting because I have clients who had tips that were $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, but yet that money didn't make it all the way to my clients based on what they're telling me. We're presently in the discovery phase, which means we're exchanging documents back and forth so that we can determine whether that money was distributed improperly, and if so, where that money went, who it went to, and how much money we're talking about so that my clients can get properly and adequately compensated. I'm Brian Pollack. My firm is the Fair Law Firm out of Miami, and in this situation, we're handling a wage and hour case under the Fair Labor Standards Act on behalf of captains and servers and other tipped employees against Kiki on the River in Miami.